In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your IKEA credit card. We'll take you through the process step by step to ensure that you can get your card up and running smoothly. So, grab your credit card, make yourself comfortable, and let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head to the official activation site. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, then open your preferred web browser. Once there, type in the URL or click on the link provided in the description below to access the activation page directly. This is the starting point of our journey, so once the page loads, you're ready to proceed. Now that you've reached the activation site, the next move is clicking on the IKEA credit card. You'll typically find a visual or a button related to the card, so don't hesitate to click on it. This will lead you to the section specifically meant for IKEA cardholders. Understanding these steps is crucial because it's common for activation processes to vary across different types of credit cards. Upon clicking your card, look for the Activate Card option. Once spotted, go ahead and click on that as well. This will take you to where the magic happens, where you initialize the activation of your IKEA credit card. Just remember, every click is a step closer to activating your card and unlocking its benefits. With the activation button clicked, the next step involves filling out information related to the primary cardholder. This is usually a straightforward process, so take your time and enter the details accurately. You might be asked to fill in personal information like your full name, card number, and possibly the expiration date. Ensure you have these details handy to avoid any hiccups along the way. It's crucial to double check the information you've entered. Ensuring accuracy at this point can prevent any potential issues that may arise later with your card usage. Once you're confident that everything is correct, look for the Submit or Continue button to proceed. Once submitted, the system should confirm that your card is now active. Congratulations! Your IKEA credit card is ready for use, and you're set to enjoy the convenience and rewards associated with it. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself not only with the activation process, but also with the terms and benefits that come with your new credit card. To wrap things up, if you encounter any difficulties during the process or don't receive confirmation of activation, it's advisable to contact customer support for further assistance. They can guide you on the next steps to ensure everything is resolved smoothly. Thank you for following along today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you feel ready to activate your IKEA credit card with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. See you in the next video.